How are more than 200,000 chocolate bars made each day? Since its discovery in Central America over 3,000 years ago, everyone has developed a taste for chocolate. The source of chocolate is found in the tropics. The cocoa tree grows tall in these moist and warm lands. Organically growing cocoa requires meticulous care. The tiny seeds are planted in bags, sprouting in days and growing to 12 inches in 4 weeks. Harvesting the fruit is a challenge. They must be cut down one by one. The seeds are manually extracted from the pod, beginning their journey to become chocolate. In the fermentation area, the seeds and pulp are covered for 6 days. Afterwards, they are dried in the sun, readying for transformation. In the factory, the sacks of cocoa are sorted in a large warehouse. Here begins the process of turning them into delicious chocolate bars. The beans are cleaned, roasted, and crushed, separating the shell from the kernel, or nib, the essence of chocolate. The nibs are ground into cocoa liquor, which is then mixed with cocoa butter, sugar, and milk for different types of chocolate. Conching smooths the texture and develops the flavor. This process is crucial for the final quality of the chocolate. The chocolate is tempered, ensuring a silky shine and a satisfying snap. Then it is molded into bars and cooled. After a final quality check, the chocolate is ready to be packaged and shipped to stores around the world. This is how, day after day, over 200,000 chocolate bars are produced, ready to be enjoyed by chocolate lovers everywhere. Thank you for joining us on this sweet journey.